Some people don't like these, but they're good. Hey guys, today is Manicure Monday, and so today I am going to achieve this look. So, simple as it is, I did put a poll on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following, here's my Instagram link. And I am on there almost daily, and you guys can always talk to me daily. I'm on there posting things like I do, and over the weekends I'll do like polls of, you know, what number, you know, pick your favorite number and everything. So today was number 7. Today went number 7 won. I seriously can't think. So it's so that would be the photo I just showed you. So today we're gonna try to achieve that look, and I'm just gonna do it on one hand because I don't have the patience right now to do both hands. And plus, if it doesn't turn out right, I don't want to waste my other fingers. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take the polishes off. I did these ones over the weekend, and they're so cool. So we're gonna take the polishes off, and we're gonna put, how we're gonna do this. I do know we are going to put a blue background. So we're gonna be doing a blue, this is baby blue, black, and then we're gonna have silver accents. This is like really silver. Can't even get the light to focus how silver it is. So what we're gonna do is blue, black, black, blue, and then maybe another blue or black. I can't decide. We'll just see how it goes first. But yeah, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna have them cleaned and painted and ready. Don't forget to base coat it, top coat after you're done painting the nail as well. So we'll be right back. So we got them all, as you can tell, as I was doing the little crink, I don't know, just doing this stuff. So we got this, and you can tell I did the 2 fingers here, blue, and then the blacks. And then when you do your other hand, you're gonna do the opposite color. So it'll be 3 blues and just, 3 blues and just 2 blacks right here. So I need more coffee. Anybody want to bring me Starbucks? Totally go for a peppermint mocha right now. Anyways, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try doing they call it a waterfall effect, but instead of it, how would I show you guys? Instead of having the waterfall just go down like that, we're gonna have them coming towards us. So it'll be, I'll just use this finger instead. So it'll be going down like that. And you're gonna need like a toothpick or an angled brush. When I mean angled, I mean, so. Oh no, my finger. But make sure you top coat it and let it dry before you start adding the paint. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna offset the colors. So you got blue here, so you're gonna do black with silver to make it a little bit shine. And you don't wanna do too much silver, so it'll be like a top tint. It's gonna be like a tip coat and you're just gonna take a little line, and then you're just gonna brush it back. And then I'm gonna add some silvers, just going down some of it. But you're gonna do black and silver, and then you're gonna do blue and silver on these two. And then you're gonna just do the opposite as well. So I'm gonna get close, and you guys will hear my voice in the background. So let's get to it. So we're gonna have a little cup of a pure 100% acetone. You're gonna make sure you have that on the side. And this will help clean up any excess messes. Like Bob Ross likes to say, it's just happy little accidents, and we can always fix them. So we're going to start with the pinky one, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take some black and just going to dab it on the plate. And since we have 2 fingers that are blue, I'm gonna make sure there's enough. Okay, so you wanna make sure your angled brush is not too stiff. So I'm gonna get wet with the acetone, and then I'm gonna try it at an angle, as you can tell. And do whatever works for you guys. Some people are really different about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the tip and just dip it in, as you can tell. Just the tip part. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And I'm just actually gonna do a little, like just a French tip kind of. Just want to make sure I can get some good angles. And just darken it a little bit. Everybody can do anything different. It's whatever works for you guys. I definitely need to clean my brush a little bit better now. It's turning black. Ooh. Okay, we're just gonna take this and run it down. That was a little bit too much. Silver in there, make it look better though. Just bear with me. It's not looking that cool, I guess you could put it. I'll have pictures of it after I'm done. And then I'm going to clean it really good. Let's see if this would be kind of like a cool theme for like Halloween. If you guys want to do something like that, do black with like red or red with black accents. Maybe Halloween colors like candy corn. I might actually do that one soon. don't know if you can see that, but that's actually quite nice. So that seemed actually simple and very easy. I know it's not as professional as the actual photo. I really didn't want to go online and YouTube the actual how they were doing it, so I just went off what the picture showed. And so I will compare them side by side right here. And you could tell that they are not that professional, but I'm not professional. Like I said, I'm not professional. I did as good as I could. I think anybody can do this. It's very simple and easy, and any color will work, honestly. I do like the black and the silver accents with it though. That's kind of cool. Like how mine is. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I am going to be trying out my other ones. Let me know on Instagram when you follow me. Go to that post of me saying, you know, choose a number of the nail designs and tell me what you want to see for next Monday. So I hope you guys' day goes well. Have a great rest of the day. And what are you going to say? So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm doing for my Beauty Tuesdays, but I'll figure something out. Have a great one.